Hi there! Today, I'll show you how to quickly and correctly replace the receipt paper in your printer. First, take a look at your receipt. If you see even a faint red line on the left side, that means the paper is running low and needs to be replaced. To start, find the large notch on the right side of the printer. That's the big button. Press it to open the paper compartment. Now, remove the old paper core left from the previous roll. Take a new roll of receipt paper and unwind about 4 inches. Place the roll into the compartment. Important, the paper must unwind from the top, not from underneath. If you load the paper the wrong way, the printer won't print receipts. Now, gently close the compartment. Listen for a click. That means the lid is properly closed. That's it. The paper is installed. To make sure everything is working, press and hold the button with the upward arrow on the right side. The paper should come out smoothly through the receipt slot. If it does, your printer is ready and you won't have any issues printing receipts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.